Today I am here to do a review on a hair product I have been using lately, and it is the Maui Moisture. And I've been using this for about 6 weeks, and I do my hair, I wash my hair once a week. So that's 6 washes that I have done with this product. And I'm telling you, I am loving this product. Let me read some of the of what's on the front to tell you what kind of shampoo and conditioner this is. This is the Maui Moisture. It heals and hydrates plus shea butter, and it's for damaged and dry hair. Now, my hair is not damaged or dry, but I do lean more towards buying more conditioners and shampoos that do say for damaged and dry hair. It just gives you that extra moisture and hydration, if you ask me. So that's why I use it. Now right now I do have a little part of like dry scalp, and that's whenever the seasons change, I do tend to get dry around my hairline. So right now I am a little dry. But this is an all-natural product, and it says it's made with 100% aloe juice as the first ingredient. Now this is 15 fluid ounces each. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. And I'm telling you, I have really been using this product. And it's all natural. It has no parabens, it has no sulfate in it, it has no dyes in it. It is 100%, natural. It says this is the conditioner, and at the bottom it says silicone free, and then on the shampoo it says sulfate free. So both of them have the same claims, and it is gonna it says it is to soften, quench and repair, and it has creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, and pure macadamia oil in both of them. It's 100% vegan, it says. Has none of the extra chemicals that most shampoos have and stuff. And I'm gonna tell you, my color is natural, but my hair is relaxed. And with saying that, I'm just, in case you haven't watched a few other of my videos, just to let you know how my hair is. And it works just as good on like natural hair, but it works just as good on relaxed hair. I'm here to tell you. And you're probably saying, yeah, sure. But I'm telling you, for like over the last year, maybe a year and a half, I have changed over from using all the other shampoos that had additives and all that in it, and started using the more natural shampoos. And after using it, I have, as you see, a head of gray hair. And with that, the other shampoos that I was using before, that had all the chemicals and additives in it, my hair would never be soft. It would always be kind of like a coursey. And now gray hair itself is already coarse, it's wiry, and it's very just unruly. It's untamed. It is. So using the other shampoos, it never helped my hair in any of those situations. It never gave it no more. I didn't have a lot of moisture or anything, no matter how I conditioned it or anything. But now I changed over and I've been using natural shampoos. It has been such a game changer for my hair. It has given me more manageability to my hair. My hair holds moisture a whole lot better, and it cleans my hair very well. And it doesn't give me that yellow. It takes out the yellow in my hair because you don't have all the additives in these shampoos. It keeps my gray just as white and just as shiny. I don't have to use a ton of other additives as I had to when I was using the other shampoos before. Now when I use this, I normally wash my hair twice, sometimes 3 times, but mostly I wash my hair twice. And the first one is not a lot of lather, but the second shampoo I get, it is a ton of lather. I only have to put like a nickel size in my hand. It is a ton of lather with it. And then with the conditioner now, I'm gonna tell you, This conditioner is the bomb. When you wash your hair, after I wash my hair and everything, I put the conditioner in. It has so much slip. I mean, my fingers just go through my hair, and it's not tangled or anything. Now, you saying probably you should be able to run your fingers through your hair and there'll be no problem. They'll slip because I have a relaxer, not naturally, not really. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because the shampoos I used before didn't do that. Or conditioners that I used before did not do that. So that's why I'm saying it. I mean, it had great slip and stuff. But you know, all shampoos and conditioners don't give you that, even with relaxed hair. Now, for the most part, I just been shampooing and conditioning my hair. I have not been using, because I wanted to see how the product was, I didn't add a deep conditioner or do a mask or anything else to my hair. Now, I would leave the conditioner in for a while, and I would put it on with my little trusty little cap and sit up under the dryer if I was kind of rushed, or I would just put the cap on and then do things around the house and stuff as it sat. Or I even had the conditioner in my hair for like a day or two. And if I did it like that, I just would pull my hair back and keep on going, or I would wear a hat. So I have worn this, used this conditioner on my hair as long as at least 48 hours before. Then I would use the Isoplus. I was using the Isoplus foam lotion to style my hair, and that was pretty much it. Then I would style my hair and go. Now, if you watched the video before this, you would see me use these two products, and I might have even in that one may have even put in a leave-in conditioner, but most of the time I did not. But this last time I think I did. So if you want to go back and see me wash my do my routine from the wash to the style, go right ahead. This is a very good product. Will I use it again? Yes. And the price of this is not it doesn't break the bank. I think I paid maybe $5 or $6 for each, and I got this from Walmart. So it's in Walmart, Target, it's in grocery stores, you know, so you definitely, this will stay in my arsenal as one to use. And I have the purple line. There's more lines up under the Maui Moisture, so I would definitely, if I was you, go take a look at the different lines and see which one works for your hair. But definitely, I will be keeping this in my arsenal. So that's it today, guys. That's the end of my video. I would like to thank you guys for watching. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. Please, if you do enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe, and then hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any videos I put up. And for all my subbies out there, thank you so much for sticking with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you, and bye-bye.